belie. To give an idea of something that is false or not true. Police has evidence against him. Now he can't belie the truth. Her words belie her character. Eavesdrop. To listen secretly to other people talking. Hackers can eavesdrop using software. It is not polite to eavesdrop on the conversation of other people. Lousy. Very bad. The food was lousy. I did not eat. He's a lousy cook. I couldn't agree more. Two-faced. Saying unpleasant things about you to other people. I don't trust him. I suspect he's a bit two-faced. I told him my secret, but he broke my trust. He is two-faced. Dowry. Money or property that a woman's parents give in the marriage. The money from her dowry was invested in her father's store. Poor girls do not get married because of dowry. Tame. Used about animals or birds, not wild or afraid of people. A cat is a tame animal. The wolf never became tame. They would run away if you approached them. Mischief. Bad behavior that is not very serious. Tell the children to keep out of mischief. Don't get mischief, my clothes will get wet. Clammy. Cold, slightly wet, and sticky in an unpleasant way. My hands felt all clammy. She felt his fingertips clammy with honey. Pry. To try to find out about other people's private affairs. I like to pry into private affairs of others. He pried through the window at every night. insolence, rude and disrespectful behavior. That's enough of your insolence, boy. I was out of patience with his insolence. Inoculate. Give an injection to protect from disease. My children always fear from inoculate. She was inoculated with an anti-cold vaccine. Sumptuous. Very expensive and impressive. I have never seen such a sumptuous house. The dinner was sumptuous on her birthday. Confide. To tell somebody something that is secret. I told him my secret, but he confided. She used to confide in him whenever she had a problem. Ajar. Used about a door slightly open. Don't ajar the door, please. The door was ajar so the cat was able to come in. Detangle. Remove tangles from hair. Always detangle wet hair gently. Detangle your hair with a wide-toothed comb. Strike. A period of time when people refuse to go to work. They were ordered to strike back. The majority of workers voted in favor of a strike. Taunt. To make somebody angry or upset by saying cruel things. They taunt me and beat me. It is in bad form to taunt your opponents. Livestock. Animals that kept on a farm, such as cows, sheep, or chickens. The heavy rains and flooding killed scores of livestock. When I was a child, I used to play with our livestock.